For all verified facts, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get the latest updates.
લોકડાઉન હતું ત્યારે અમને બહુ તકલીફ પડતેલી. ત્યાર પછી અમે અહીંયા પેડ લેવા માટે અહીંયા ઉધાર રાખીને પણ અમે પેડ લેતેલા. જ્યારે અમારી જોડે સગવડ થતેલી ત્યારે અમે અહીંથી લઈ પણ જતેલા અને પછી આપી પણ જતેલા પૈસા. આજુબાજુવાળા પણ અમારા જેવું જ કરતેલા. એમના પાસે પૈસા નહોતા તો અહીં ઉધાર રાખીને પછી સગવડ થાય ત્યારે અમને પૈસા આપતેલા.
તકલીફ તો જો કે આવે જ, કેમ કે પૈસા કમાવનારું બી નથી અત્યારે, મારે માણસ બી નથી. મેં એકલી જ છું ઘરમાં, મારો બાબો બી ભણતો જ હતો. કે આ નહીં લઈએ તો બી તકલીફ થશે એમ. લેવામાં તો તકલીફ થાય ને, જાંગો બાંગો સોડાઈ જાય. હવે આ પેડ લઈએ તો એવું લાગે કે આમ સાફ સુથરું લાગે.
Every day, Sakshi makes 100 of these pads to earn 50 rupees. Imagine having to buy a pad on loan, the one you just made because you have no money. Still, Sakshi and Sudha are a lucky few because only 36% of the 336 million menstruating women in India have access to sanitary napkins like these.
But India's lockdown has made this access even more tough. As Anita Johan, head of Sakhi Mandals of the Vatsala Foundation, which manufactures and spreads awareness about sanitary napkins, told us.
हाँ 10-12 हर रोज़ आते ही थे. नैपकिन कब तक खुलेगा, अभी कब आएगा, कब ट्रांसपोर्ट का खुलेगा, कब भेजोगे.
In fact, it was only after 15 days into the lockdown that the government finally put sanitary napkins under essential commodities. This meant that factories manufacturing sanitary pads that had completely shut down could finally begin operations. But even then, it was not easy. For the first 90 days of the lockdown, disrupted supply chain, lack of access to labor and raw materials meant that only 50% of these factories could reopen. And their manufacturing capacity too was greatly reduced at just 33% of the pre-lockdown output. This led to a large number of women switching to cloth pads.
You might think, what's the problem with cloth? Our grandmothers used cloth, as did our mothers. But using the wrong cloth can have disastrous consequences on your health.
With the rising taboo or the existing taboo in the society, women don't even dry this cloth in heat, in sunlight. They dry the cloth behind the doors, under the table, somewhere where it remains damp. And in a damp cloth, if the blood is not properly cleaned, thousands of bacteria are generated per second. And when you use it for the second and third time, naturally, the area around vagina, your thighs, or sometimes inside vagina, it gets filled up with the infection, which is really bad.
Access to good menstrual hygiene is as essential as access to hygienic food and water. But out of the 6,461 lakh fund allocation for menstrual hygiene scheme under the National Health Mission in 2019 and 20, 23 of the 36 states and union territories have not even made a proposal for fund allocation. Among them is Gujarat, the home of Sakshi and Sudha. We visited 3 of the 33 Jan Aushadhi Kendras in Vadodara, which provide medicines at a cheaper cost. Here, a pack of 4 sanitary napkins will cost you Rs 4. Large pads will cost you Rs 12. And extra large pads will cost you Rs 15. But offtake still remains poor due to quality and accessibility. Women also often hesitate to approach these centers since most of them are run by men. So instead, women rely on local NGOs like the Vatsala Foundation.
सबसे कम कीमत में सैनिटरी नैपकिन देते हैं. 30 रुपीज़ में 10 पीस, एक महीना तो चल जाता है. एक महीने में 30,000 नैपकिन, 30,000 हमारे नैपकिन बन जाते थे. उससे तो बहुत कम, 15,000 ही मान होते हैं.
Now, the lockdown has lifted and supply chains have restarted. Still, there's a problem in sourcing menstrual hygiene products.
मेरे यहाँ 17 बहनें हैं काम करने के लिए, लेकिन हमारे इतने सारे बाहर के जो ऑर्डर थे वो ऑर्डर ही नहीं है. और हम कैसे उनको फिर बना के क्या करेंगे. एक ही लेडीज आ रही है करने के लिए, लेकिन उससे जगह हमें दूसरा भी काम मिलता है, जैसे सैनिटाइज़र है, मास्क बनाना है, पीपीई किट है.